Hello children. In the last topic we have done about the method to form the charge on an object, and we have done two methods to form the charge. First one was physical rubbing method and the second method was induction method. Now the next topic is property of charge. First is additive in nature. Additive in nature. The charge can be added by simple method of algebra. Suppose we have a surface which contain point A plus 10 coulomb, point B minus 20 coulomb, point C it is plus 5 coulomb. Now we have to find the total charge. So this is equal to 10 minus 20 plus 5. So we can say this is minus 5 coulomb. So to find the charge on a surface or any object, then we use the simple method of algebra. Second is law of conservation of charge. According to this law, in the isolated system, the total charge remains same or constant. Third is quantization of charge. According to this law, the total charge on a substance is an integral multiple of elementary charge of electron or proton. Now we can write E is equal to, this is elementary charge, the magnitude of E is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So according to quantization of charge, we can write Q is equal to plus minus N into E, where capital Q is charge, N is number of electron, and we have written the value of small e is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Plus minus we have written because charge can be positive or charge can be negative. The meaning of a quantization of a charge in a simple way that when we buy a pen, notebook, then we always purchase in a quantity of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We never purchase in the quantity of 1.5, 3.7, 4.7 or like 5.1. We always buy in the integer form, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is called quantization of charge. So we can do a question on this. Calculate number of electron present in 1 coulomb of charge. So we can write here Q is equal to Ne. Q is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. By solving this, we get N, that is 6.25 into 10 power 18. This is the answer.